Okay, YouTube end screens. Like I say, I'm going to put together a bunch more stuff on this, but I thought I'd give you guys a freebie.
Sweet.
If that's okay with you, if it's cool with you. So this week we have a template, a free one from my buddy Arif Chandra, Magic Video 4.0 collection, and I put that link in the chat box for you. You can watch my tutorial and grab your copy here. It's on a launch special, pretty cool, lots of good stuff, very innovative as I talk about my review and the tutorial here. But let me jump down a little bit. One of the things I mentioned in my tutorial is that I like that there are a lot of YouTube assets. So you get all of these cover templates for your channel. You can create a good looking channel header. That's great. YouTube thumbnail templates. A lot of people struggle with making thumbnails, you know, because it's kind of, it's not all that easy if you're not a designer. And in fact, I used PowerPoint for years to create my thumbnails. But again, these have some great design. I like that. And then another thing he has are YouTube end screens. For those of you who don't know what an end screen is, it's basically at the end of videos that you upload to YouTube, you can have the last 20 seconds be what's called an end screen, and this is what it looks like, or what it can look like. And you've probably all seen these before. You get the more videos and you get a subscribe thingy here. This is one that I just created in Camtasia. You know, it's just a little background logo and stuff like that. Like I mentioned, there are some kind of interesting and nice templates here, and I scored a freebie for you. So here's the one that I got for you guys. I'll show you what I like about these and what I don't like, and then just briefly a little tip and trick here for you. So if we preview this, it's got some music going. So it starts with a thanks and asks people to like and comment. The actual end screen part is generally the second slide. But kind of check this out. Right? So basically, it has the placeholders for these elements, right? And the way an end screen works is you create your video so that it has a 20-second ending and then lets you place stuff on that last 20 seconds. I'm not going to get into it right now, but basically that's how it works. So the subscribe element in an end screen is a circle. Well, here we have a circle. Okay, so once I upload this to YouTube, then I can place this circle, this picture of me, and YouTube does that automatically. You know, it puts the picture, your profile pic in, on top of this thing. And I have this cool animation. You know, and this little thing here will play for like 20 seconds, spinning around, and again, another placeholder to be able to put, you know, another video, right? And since it's just PowerPoint, of course, we can go in and change your names, or if there's stuff you don't want, you know, you can just get rid of it. I don't use Instagram because I'm old like that. And all that good stuff. Change colors. If we go to format here, if I don't like the color right there, you can basically change it to any color you want. All that good stuff. All the PowerPoint yummy goodness. Okay. So to change the background on this, I'm just going to click on anything on the slide, go to format, and open the selection pane. Hide all, and then right click and format background. On the fill tab, see it's a picture. We'll insert from file and pick our first picture. Don't forget to show all, and we can preview. On the second slide, I'm basically going to do the same thing. Open up the selection pane, hide all, and then choose the same image that I used for the first one. Format background, from File, and there we go. Show all. Nice. And then, if we go to Transitions, I've set it to stay on this slide for 20 seconds, because that's kind of what we need. And if we just kind of File, Export, create a video, set the seconds spent on each slide to 0, create video, and I usually save mine as Windows Media because there's a known bug in MP4, and click Save. And what that's going to do is it's going to spit this out. Actually, let's try this. And then in my Camtasia, whatever video I'm working on, I can then drag this end screen. This is my video project, and at the very end, I'm going to put this end screen because I know I'm going to ship this up to YouTube. So, here it goes, and thank you for watching. All that good stuff. Like and comment. And then right here, boom. This is where when I upload this to YouTube, I now have these placeholders, and you can go through the end screen process and, you know, drop your subscribe button and another what they can watch next, right? So we'll get into more detail on that, but there it is. It's just pretty sweet and easy. Here's a couple of tips. All of the end screens that they have 3 slides to them. This last slide just fades out to black. I find this to be, well, useless. On an end screen, I don't want it to fade out to black. I want the end screen to stay on screen as long as possible. Why? So people can, subscribe. So people can click to watch the next video. Right? So first off, I ditched that. Okay, in the freebie that you download, this will be hidden. If for some reason you want yours to fade out, then you would just unhide this. Okay, but that's one of the modifications I made. Again, I made the actual end screen itself on the Transitions tab. I changed this to 20 seconds. And another thing I might do is this particular little intro thing, thanks for watching, like and comment, it actually lasts like, I don't know, 4 or 5 seconds, something like that. So just be aware, another option you have is you could hide this slide as well. Okay, and just get yourself an end screen. You know, just the end. And this should last about 20 seconds if you hide this one. Right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show that one again. Nice selection of them, though. Well, I guess we'll call her an evening then. Thanks for coming, everybody, and we'll see you next time.